In this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine TikTok videos in 2021 on the TikTok app, iPhone, as well as on Android. So what you want to do is simply open the TikTok app, click on the plus icon to normally create a video, click on upload, and then you can select videos, right? Let's say I want to combine this video with, let's say, this one, and this one. What you would do is simply select those videos that you would like to combine, then click on next. Now what's going to do is pretty much load the videos. And then what you can do here is click on adjust clip, and you can then go ahead and change the clips. So if you click on one of them, you'll see that you can pretty much cut these clips, if that makes sense. So first of all, you can select the placement or like the part of the video that you would like to include. Now what you can then also do is change the length of these videos. So if you do that, you can do that with all of the videos that you've selected on here. So you'll see that I've got 4 because I just selected 4 of them. And you can then change the length from these clips and then also their placement. You can also rotate the screen if you want to, and that's pretty much how you can do this. So that's pretty much how you can combine them. So if I now do this part for this clip, there we go, and then for this clip I'll do this part right there. You've then combined all of these videos. So if you click done, you've just created a combined TikTok video. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.